This dance is called The Way I Love You. It's a 48 count, 2 wall, high intermediate level line dance with 3 tags, 1 step change and 2 restarts. And it is a little waltz. Starting on the left foot, you're going to do a basic wall step, making half a turn to the left. So you step in that left forward, make that half a turn, close, close, back basic on the right, back, close, close. Add on a twinkle, cross, side, close, and a weave to the left, cross, side, behind. Now set of steps once more, that waltz half turn to start off on that left. 4, 5, 6, turn, close, close, waltz back, twinkle, and weave, cross, side, behind. Step the left, large step to the side, drag the right towards the left over 2 counts. You're then going into a rolling vine to the right. So quarter turn right, you step that right forward, half a turn right, you step that right back, quarter turn right, you step that right to the side. Add on another twinkle, cross, side, close, and a twinkle, quarter turn, cross, quarter, close. Now set of steps once more. Side drag into that rolling vine, off on the left. 4, 5, 6, side drag, turn, 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 twinkle, twinkle, turn. So you have, by virtue of its name, rolling vine, it is a full turn. Should you need to try and take that out, just turn it into a normal vine. So you just do a side drag, then vine to the right, side, behind, side, add on your twinkle, and your twinkle quarter turn. Let's add that to the top. Waltz half turn off on that left. 4, 5, 6, waltz half, face it back, twinkle, and weave, cross, side, behind, side drag, turn, 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 twinkle, twinkle, turn. Cross rock left over right, recover your weight on that right, step the left to the side. Cross the right over the left, you're now going into a hinge 3/4 of a turn. So you're going to turn a quarter turn to the right as you step back on that left, further half a turn right as you step forward on that right. Add on a mambo step with the left foot, rock forward, recover, feet together, cross the right over the left, sweep the left from the back to the front over 2 counts. Now set of steps once more then, cross rock side off on that left. 4, 5, 6, cross rock side, cross, turn, turn, mambo step, cross sweep. So we have got about 3/4 of a turn in this section. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, cross rock side the same as everybody else, then cross that right over as well. Then instead of turning to your right, turn a quarter left, you step forward on that left, then simply just step forward on the right. You can then add on your mambo step, your cross and your sweep. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that 3/4 turn out in that section. Let's add that to the top. Waltz half turn, off on the left. 4, 5, 6, waltz half, face it back, twinkle, and weave, cross, side, behind, side drag, turn, 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 twinkle, twinkle, turn, cross, rock, side, cross, turn, turn, mambo, step, cross, sweep. Cross the left over the right, step back right, step back left. Cross the right over the left, step the left back into that diagonal, so you step it back towards 130. Bring the right beside the left, and as you do so, open your body up to the diagonal, 7:30. Then weave to the right, crossing the left over the right, right to the side, cross the left behind, and add on half around the box forward, side, close, step. That set of steps once more. Crossing the left over. 4, 5, 6. Cross, back, back, cross, back, close, cross, side, behind, side, close, step. End of dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Waltz half step, half on that left. 4, 5, 6. Half turn, face it back, twinkle, and weave, cross, side, behind, side, drag, turn, 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 twinkle, twinkle, turn. Cross, rock, side, cross, turn, turn, mambo, step, cross, sweep, cross, back, back, cross, back, close, cross, side, behind, side, close, step. That is your dance. In true waltz fashion, not an end count in sight. But it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. And we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Waltz half off on the left. 4, 5, 6, half turn, face it back, twinkle, cross, side, behind, side, drag, turn, 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 twinkle, twinkle, turn. Cross, rock, side, cross, turn, turn, mambo, step, cross, sweep, cross, back, back, cross, back, close, cross, side, behind, side, close, step, half a turn, face it back, twinkle, cross, side, behind, side, drag, turn, 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 twinkle, twinkle, turn, cross, rock, side, cross, turn, turn, mambo, step, cross, sweep, cross, back, back, cross, back, close, cross, side, behind, side, close, step. That is your dance. So there are 3 tags, 1 step change, and 2 restarts in this dance. Now most of them you get done and dusted in the first 4 walls. So at the end of wall 1, you have a tag. Wall 2, you have a step change and restart. Wall 3, end of, you have a tag. Wall 4, you have a restart. And then your final tag comes at the end of wall 6. All your tags are exactly the same. So your tags, quite simply, step forward, a large step on the left, drag the right, beside the left, and then put your weight on it. 1, 2, 3, single counts. So that is all you're doing. Step, drag, close, and then you restart the dance. Ends of 1, 3, and 6. On wall 2, you have your step change and restart. So you will go into dance 9 counts. So you will do your twinkle, cross, side, close, and then instead of going into that weave, you basically do a twinkle half. Cross, quarter turn right as you step that right back, that left back, and then further quarter turn right, bringing the right beside the left. Twinkle half. That is your step change, and then you restart. 9 counts in. Wall 2. Wall 3, like I said, has got the tag at the end of it. Wall 4 has another restart after 6 counts. So you basically do your waltz half step, basic waltz back, and you restart. And then end of wall 6 you have that tag again. So what we're going to do is we're going to do wall 1, add in your tag. Wall 2, restart. Wall 3, add on your tag. Wall 4, restart, so you can see how they all fit in. Then once you've done that, you'll know what you're doing with wall 6. Here we go. Tags and restarts. Walls half off on the left. 4, 5, 6. Half turn. Back basic. Twinkle. Cross side behind. Side drag. Turn, turn, turn. Cross, twinkle. Twinkle, turn. Cross, rock, side. Cross, turn, turn. Mambo step. Cross, sweep. Cross, back, back. Cross, back, close. Cross, side, behind. Side, close. Step, tag, step, drag, close. Half a turn. Just step change. Twinkle. Here we go. Cross, turn, turn. Restart. Half a turn. And back. Twinkle. Cross, side, behind. Side, drag. Turn, turn, turn. Twinkle. Twinkle, turn. Cross, rock, side. Cross, turn, turn. Mambo step. Cross, sweep. Cross, back, back. Cross, back, close. Cross, side, behind. Side, close. Step, tag, step, drag, close. Half a turn and back. And this is your next restart. Half a turn and back. Twinkle and you weave. So hopefully you were able to see how all that fit in. Wall 1 tag, wall 2, 9 steps, step change, restart. End of 3, tag. Wall 4, 6 counts, restart. And then you do straight through wall 5, tag at the end of wall 6. So that is it. That is your dance, your walk through, your tag, your step change and your restart information. Let's give it a go to their music. Four, 5, 6, half turn, and basic. Twinkle, weave, side drag, turn, 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 twinkle, twinkle, turn. Cross, rock, side, cross, turn, turn, mambo step, cross, sweep, cross, back, close, weave, rubber, here's your tag. Restarts. Should restart and step change wall. Here we go. Cross, turn, turn. Restart. Twinkle, weave. Side drag. Turn, turn, turn. Twinkle, twinkle, turn. Next time wall. Cross, turn, turn. Mambo step. Cross, sweep. Cross, back, close. Cross, side, close. Step tag. Restart. Restart again. Twinkle. Next time
past, present, future, they know you're the one. Doesn't take a diamond to say that I do. I don't love anyone. No, I don't love anyone.
Tag.
I don't love
Restart.
anyone the way I love you.
Hope you managed that one.